Hello guys, today I am going to discussing about some features of Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 and you can say this some tips and tricks of Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 in MIUI 9 stable. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, tap on the settings menu, then additional settings, then quick ball. Turn on the quick ball, you will find a ball-like structure appear at the right corner of the home screen. This is the very useful feature. From this feature, we can directly take a screenshot like that. Directly go to the decision menu like that. Directly jump to the home screen like that and all other stuff. So the second tip is that go to the settings, then additional settings, then one-handed mode. This is a very useful feature. So let me set screen size to the 4.0 inch. So as you can see, my home screen is set into 4.0 inch. From there, you can directly type and search and type fluently without any hesitation. You don't have to use two hands for this operation. Like that, you can directly search from the Play Store some games like that with one hand, like Clash of Clans, etc. And tap on the dark area to return to the normal home screen like that. Third feature is a very useful feature which is available only in Android 8.0 Oreo, but you can use this feature only in MIUI 9 stable. So without wasting any time, let's do this. So first off, tap on the MIUI browser, then search for YouTube. Tap on that and open any video like that. It is called PIP mode or picture in picture mode. So this is a very useful feature. So that's for today. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So next video is coming soon. So thank you.
I'm coming home.